was singing from you. It was really very good singing. It is exciting singing. Now the learning part. So you is thinking why this is a repeating exercise making by me. But this is a procedure we to follow. We supposed to follow in the classroom. And this is my procedure. This is my routine in my classroom to follow this procedure, because as I am addressing, as I am teaching to a student's age group is so little, so it is hard for them to listen and remind these lines. So this repetition is quite necessary. You will also agree with me. Now the first lines I want to concentrate before you, but before that there is a word in this poem. Who will tell me what is a spaceship on the news channel?
Yes.
About scientific sector. Yes. Steroid. That was very good news.
The direction of this.
Yes, sir. Spaceship means something we transmit in the space with a vehicle is called as spaceship. Now I am going to show you a picture and you have to tell me what is
Snail.
a spaceship. Now there are two things, a spaceship and a snail. Can you please tell me on which basis we are comparing these two things?
Speed.
On the basis of speed. Oh, what a students before me and what a Himalayan task before me to address you. You are all very literate and well known, quite qualified, and it is hard for me to tell something before you, but I am trying to follow the instructions and orders by Honorable Sarma Madam. We are comparing these two things on the basis of speed, because if someone observes the thing spaceship, we cannot imagine its speed per hour or even per minute. Such is the speed of this particular thing called spaceship. And if we compare the speed of spaceship to snail, somebody could easily measure that speed.
Yes, sir.
Easily. There is no problem. What we have to consider in this lesson is there are two things in this world existed which is in a speed we cannot compare easily. It is not that we cannot compare it, but we cannot compare it easily. And at the same time there is one more thing existing in the same world which speed some could measure so easily. There is no problem to measure the speed. But these two things existing same time in the same world, in the same universe, what does it mean? It does mean, I think, that some may be fast learners, some may be medium learners. We have to instruct them again and again to learn something, but we have to honor, we have to concentrate ourselves to the speed of learning. There are so many things we can compare in the context of speed, no doubt about it. Why I choose this example of learning only? Because we are working in the same sector. So, if there is a thing which is so speed, and if there is a thing like snail, which is not that kind of speed compared to spaceship, are existing at the same time in this universe. The next examples in this poem we would discuss on the same basis. Fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb. If someone looks at a tiger or saw a tiger, what will be his first impression? Oh, tiger! Now we are quite fortunate, there are no tigers. Now, we are quite fortunate, but that is a bad news for us. Everybody wants, there should be tigers in the forest. That is a very good thing. It is a part of nature. It is in fact a part of food cycle. That's why it's needed. What the first impression came into our mind is that, oh, tiger, just look for a way to run. Where should I hide myself? Behind a shelf, behind a tree or something else? What should I do? And compared to tiger, if you look at it, lamb, somebody would want to grab that thing.
Yes.
There is one thing, who just imagination we want to run from our actual place, and there is also one thing which somebody want to grab it, such appearance. This is a comparison on the basis of appearance, nature. The nature is different. We can also compare these things with other things as well. We could found different nature person in the society. But what should we do? We have to honor such nature. We have to give respect this nature. And after that, life will be more easy. Life will be more easier than your daily life. The next thing, there are in fact so many things, and we are not having that much time to describe these things. But one thing is that these things are before us. There is time, there is a space, and those who have not that much speed comparing to learning process, he might be or she might be demoralized. Oh, I want to score 90% marks, but I can't. I failed to do so. What should I do? Shall I leave my education? Shall I leave? With these words, I am going to complete my lesson. Once again, I am very thankful of Honorable Jadhav Madam, not only of Jadhav Madam, but all the staff members and Honorable Principal Madam for giving me this opportunity. This Honorable Dais is nothing less than an inspiration from me, because we have an opportunity to present for the morning assembly of this college, this prosperous August College, I should say. And I reminded my dear days when I take morning assemblies, but I never dared to take a thorough English presentation. So congratulations all of you. You are great brothers. I am first time hearing a model morning assembly in a teaching learning college. This is first instance for me with these words. I am taking your leave. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank on behalf of all the students. Sir, I am very grateful and thankful to you that you presented such a very great lesson, which was very remembering for us. Although it was how you presented, the way of presentation, it was really remembering. Means according to actions and with performing with tuning, the tuning you performed, that was really grateful. And I remember my childhood days when sir was telling in the same way sir was taking lessons, whatever the lesson sir took, it was really very useful for us, for the English method students, and for everyone also, because the English is a language which is day to day we must know, and we must also improve in that our life. I would like to thank you. I am very grateful and thankful to you, sir.
Command over English language. They should have at least one Oxford dictionary or any type of dictionary at your home. And one more thing I want to suggest, a thesis.